So I would have done my ACL a couple of years ago. I don't know if that connected. And then my right hip glute, the glute maximus gives me awful bother. And then about 4 years ago, I kept getting back spasms consistently when playing football.
Okay.
So I've discs out L2, L3, L4, L5.
Oh, for all the numbers,
L5 is hitting the S1.
Okay.
So I do have like nerve issues definitely on the left side, but the pain is on the right. So I don't know, are these two different injuries?
Can be the one days with sometimes it's traveling, you know. I'll show you how this works. That can be the F4, F5. I give you ideas. Sometimes go this way. Yeah. Sometimes go like this way. Yeah. And travel because this is the weak spot of your lower back. Yeah. But except the lower back, anything else?
No.
Okay, I'll do my best to get a good decompression here. Then fingers crossed you're gonna have a good result. How you heard about me?
Randomly last week, a work colleague told me about you. So I work up here in Dublin, but I'm from Mayo.
Oh.
So I'm telling all my friends about you now if you do a
good
good job.
Yeah, lots of people from Mayo come here.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm completely back this. That's it. Let me check your posture first. Okay. Where do you live now?
Living in Mayo.
Oh, you live in Mayo?
Yeah.
You travel in Dublin all the time?
I do 2 days a week.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
That's no problem.
You're very busy.
No, I'm busy now, it's okay.
Good.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. Let me see here. There you go. Let me see here. That's the one. No problem. Good. There you go. That's it. Cross fingers again, please. Elbow close, fall back. That's that one. That's it. Put the hands on your hips like this.
Yeah.
Elbow push back. That's it. That was easy. Push back. There you go. Face down here, please. Put the arm down there. There you go. That's it. That's it. There you go. That's it. That's that one. That's it. There you go. That's it. That's that one. That's it. There you go. Lift them up, please. Up. There you go. Wow. That's that one. There you go. Lift them up, please. That's it. Wow. Push them up. One more. That's it. That was easy. There you go. That's it. Good. Lie on your side to me, please. Any side again. You do better. Hold that. That's it. Hold that. There you go. Nose. Oh, that's it. Other side, please. Yes.
Are they all like that every day?
Yeah, most of them. Wow. On your back now, please. Feet hands together. Grab my hands. That's it. That's the one. That's the one there. Hold it. Ah, yeah. That's the one. That's the one. That's it. That's it. Wow. That's it. That's the one. That's it. That's it. Bend. Those. Ah, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
No problem. You ever done this before? Not like this.
No.
Yes. Wow. Okay. Do a nice work in there. Na. Oh yeah. Hold it. Close. Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, very good.
Oh yeah. No, nice. Hold, put your hands on your side. Do a nice overhead. Lift chin up. That's perfect. Don't bite your tongue. Be very gentle station here. Hold 10 seconds. 1, 2.
Whoa.
That's it. Happy days. Happy days. That's it. Ah, yeah. That's it. Perfect. Okay. Give me a hand. Sit up. Stay there. I'll do a lower back stage.
Okay. I know I'm done when I'm at this part.
You've seen this, yeah?
I'm watching your videos.
That's okay. Ah, yeah. Move yourself. Hey. Fall back. Yeah, wow. That's very stiff, but
Yeah.
you're doing a good job.
Good stuff.
Don't get sweat, please.
Okay.
Wow. Stay there. We're doing nice work here. Wow. Happy days.
Was it tight?
And now everything back in place. Wow. Walk around. Walk this one. Check your lower back now.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Come this way. Try. Go.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Experience?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh
Well
my
done,
God.
Good job.
Wow.
Don't try this at home. Let me see. Have a glass here. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching me. That's it, make them happy. That's good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay guys, thank you again. I'll see you in the next video. Wow, that was a good one.